So let's say you want to enhance your calendar script by, for example, displaying the month of May. If, for example, today is 27th May, which is not, but let's say you want to highlight today's date. There is a way we can tweak in this script to just display the exact date. What we have to do is to add a couple of models to it. And one of the useful model we can use is the datetime model, or the built-in Python model. So we'll say from datetime, import datetime, and then we are just going to create a set of variables and say create a variable called today, and inside today just call today. A year, we say okay, from the year model, take today, or from this date, give it this year. We'll also create a variable called month, and then also specify the month as well as the day, and specify day as well. What we can do next is to get the calendar metrics. So unlike this part where we just said year equals 2025, here we can just create a monthly calendar on calendar and then store it inside this particular variable. We can first print. So here we are just writing an f string, where an f string we say anytime you see this calendar, just call the month or the month of today, and then 8 year. And then we will add a little bit functionality to it. And in this functionality, what we are going to do is to create a for loop. This for loop we will just store it as a week assigned to it for it to be highlighted. So let's print. So you can see that today is October 27, and we have also highlighted day 27.